Do you know what is going on inside this property? Come with me. Let's go in. Let's have a look. What is actually going on? This is actually the main entrance. Let's go in. Right. So guys, as I mentioned before, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with this property at the end of this video. So before I move into that particular part, I'm going to give a big shout out to Anthony Aya, who is running a restaurant in Stoke-on-Trent, Serenity Restaurant. Anthony Aya, thank you so much for introducing me to the landlord and connecting the dots between me and the landlord. So guys, if you are visiting Stoke-on-Trent, Serenity Restaurant is one of the best places around Stoke to have a nice meal, especially guys, the Saval meal. Saval, fantastic meal. So you should try Saval. Saval sapade guys, come and have a taste. So big shout out to Anthony. Thank you so much connecting the dots between me and the landlord. And there are couple of other people who I really want to remind at this time. The other one, CJ Carpet Cleaners, is one of my very close friend. He is one of the best reliable person around Stoke who can provide you the trustworthy and effective and efficient service to your property. So if you want to clean your carpet, if you want to have a refresh of your carpets, then please contact CJ Cleaners. The link is in the below description. So big shout out to again CJ Cleaners. Janika, thank you so much for helping me out with this. And then third, just want to remind Center House, Sumit, thank you so much, mate. You were helping me a lot to clean out this property to a level that there is no dust at all. So I am very pleased about the way that you guys are working with me. So if you guys want to get in touch with these people, CJ Cleaners and Center House, down below the video description you can find the links. So big shout out to everybody who supported me. Come with me guys, let's walk into the living room. Very simple setup, simple couch and a table and couple of wall frames, picture frames around, and it's a very you got a very nice space in this living room. So that's the living room where you guys will be able to enjoy your time having a chat with your friends and family. So all the way straight you will be able to go into the dining area and this well spaced kitchen, and it has the refrigerator and it has the washing machine. You go your toaster and microwave and the kettle, and there are many other things as well. All the utensils are available inside this kitchen. So now from the kitchen, let's walk to the upstairs and see what is going on. You can see common toilet with the shower, and then you got your first double bedroom. There are a few more things that I should add into this room, so I'm still doing things now. So let's go to the second double bedroom. This is the second double bedroom. It has one double bed. Two people can easily accommodate in this room, and you got this spacious cupboards around the bed. Walk into the other room. with a sliding door. It's very cozy single bed room. And now I'm going to show you the special unit in this whole property. Actually, this property has 2 units. First unit is the one that you already saw with the 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom and the kitchen and the living room. Now I'm going to show you the second unit, which is the special unit in this property. So let's go and have a look. This is ensuite unit. Let's go inside. Let's have a look. This unit has a separate entrance from the outside, and this is that entrance. So let's turn around. Once you come in, this is the room. This is the door into the room. Let's go. Let me switch on the light. Yes, here we go. This is a separate unit, and it has 1 double bed and also couch for 2 people. You also got your toaster and the kettle, of course the complimentary snack that I am always providing to my guests, and mini fridge. And inside this cupboard get the microwave, couple of plates, and then spoons, knives and forks. Let's go into the bathroom. Let's have a look around the bathroom. It's a big bathroom. So that is what it is inside this separate unit. It's an ensuite. So if you want to book this place, the link is in the bio. So that's all about this property. This property has 2 units, as I explained. One with ensuite, the other one is the whole house, which has 3 bedrooms. Out of these 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms are with double bed in each and 1 single bed, and you have the living space and the kitchen and the bathroom. So unit number 1, which I will be thinking about a name later on. I haven't think about a name yet. It is actually suitable for families. Whoever visiting Stoke as a family unit, then this is one of the best place that you can book. So down below in the description you will be able to find the link. Go and just book it. And also the other one is the unit number 2, which is ensuite. It is a separate unit that also can be booked through booking.com. You will be able to find the link. So this is what I am actually doing with this property. It's a holiday home. So people who are traveling for holidays, this is gonna be one of the best place to stay and have a rest and continue your journey. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be having more properties coming up in the near future. And make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification button, so whenever I upload a video, you will be able to watch it. So thank you so much. I will see you back again in my next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.